करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। ऐउन् ऋक् एकोम् ऐकौच् हयवर् लन् न्यामाङ्गाण्डं झमै घडदश् जबगडदश् खपचठथ चतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अपविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इत्युपेशानां तालु पृथुरसानां मूर्धा उपपद्मानीयानां कोष्ठौ ज्ञामागाढनां नासिका च एतयोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठौष्ठं वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठं जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं नासिकानुस्वारस्य। रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे। रामेणाधिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर। सु औजस् अम् औक्षस् ताभ्यां विस् ङेभ्यां व्यस् ङसीभ्यां व्यस् ङस् ओस्हां ङी ओस्सु सु औजस् तिप्तस्थि सिद्धस्थ नित्वस्मस् त आतां झ थास् आतां ध्वं इट् महि महिं ती तः अन्ति सी तः थ नी वह मह ते आते अन्ते से आथे ध्रे ये वहे महे. This is what? Lat lakara. Lakara means what? Lakara is a pratyaya. Lakara means it's a pratyaya. And for tenses and moods, Pranay Maharishi uses the word lakara with the it letter. Takara is a it letter. Lat, lam, example, right? Takara is a it letter. The content is only lakara. Lakara denotes the tenses and moods. So you will add to a dhatu or pradipadikam. Dhatu. Dhatoho parasya pratyaya bhavati. We know that. Pratyaya comes after the dhatu. So la you have to add after the dhatu. And that la will be replaced by the corresponding pratyaya. Corresponding, not ganamikara, corresponding pratyaya. That is, if it is pratama purusha ekavachanam, ti. Tip. If it is lat, ti. That's what I mean corresponding. Corresponding to purusha and vachana. Corresponding to the dhatu, whether it is parasmipadi or atmanipadi, that corresponds also is there. Right? One is dhatu, whether it is parasmipadi or atmanipadi. And what lakara? How many lakaras are there? There are 10 lakaras. I'll just try the lakaras. Because the next lesson what we are going to see, 14th lesson, you will see in fact later, you will introduce lam lakara, past tense. Just I will mention the name of lakaras. You will see in detail later. So dasha lakaraha, 10 lakaras. So we know lat lakara. What are the lakaras? Just you will write lat. Then lam, okay. Load. Then lat, load. I am writing the important lakaras first. Important I mean these sarvadhatuka lakaras. We will see what sarvadhatuka lakaras in the later. These important lakaras. Lat, lung, load, link. Then now we can say lit, okay. Late. Then lung, lut is there, and rit. Rit and link both are there. Rin. How many lakaras now? Count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 10 lakaras or 11. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8, 10. And here the ling has got 2. One is vidling. One is vidling. Other one is ashirling. Ashihi. Okay. Benediction. So, among this, late lakara is used only in Vedas. So, late lakara used only in Vedas. So, we will not see that. Drop it. Other lakaras important. And among these lakaras are very important. These 4. These are called sarvadhatuka lakaras. These are called sarvadhatuka. We will see what sarvadhatuka, how it is sarvadhatuka, why it is called sarvadhatuka lakaras and all later. So now, just a general knowledge of what lakara is. So all this can be called by the name lakara. That's what lakara means. What is this la? Lakara is lakara plus the a is anunasika h. The content is only lakara. But that lakara, we call it as a lakara, and that stands for all the 10 lakaras. And for each lakara, depending on the dhatu, the pratyas will be added. 18 pratyas, right? Now, just a very brief idea about what these lakaras are. Assume this is the today. Today is now. Not today, now. Present tense, let. This is present. What is this? Past. This is future. Now, this is let lakara, let, that is present tense. This is past. Let me write like this. Past is, this is past. Right? If the past starts from here, that is, this is let. This is today. The whole thing is today, let us say. The whole thing is today. Right? This is a center point, something like that. You have to imagine, okay. This is today. And all this side, everything coming this side is past. Left hand side. And this side is, right side is future. So, if the past is today's past, morning 6 o'clock is past, and evening, suppose evening you are saying today's morning is past, afternoon is past with respect to today's evening, right? That is one past. Another past is which is not today's past, yesterday, day before yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 100 years before, that is also past. That is called remote past, right? That is remote past. So this is today's past, and this is not today, from yesterday onwards is the past, And another one is this. All this, the whole thing is a past, remote past, right? Remote past. Remote past is called, which is not today, which is not yesterday, happened long back. Like Purana, when you talk about the story, Ramayana, Mahabharata, that is lit, that's called lit lakara, which is lit. The remote past is called lit. Use the lit pratyaya, lit lakara. So the pratyayas, the common pratyayas undergoes changes for the lit lakara. And that which is not today's past, that is called lam. Lam means past starting from yesterday. Yesterday's past. What about the general past, otherwise called a simple past? That is called lum. So, past itself we have got three. Past itself, three. Yesterday's past, lum. Remote past, lit. And simple past, which covers today's past also. Understand? That is called lum. Everything. Simple past, any past. Now, listen here, important point is, in the language, even for today's past we use lam. Like others I said, no? The word others also, saha, tad. Saha is also used like others. Similarly, bhashayam, in the language, even for today's past we use lam. It is there in the language. It's okay, nothing wrong. But the meaning, general, this is the rule. It doesn't mean the rule is violated. There are some practices, Rule is there and practice is there. So it is accepted. We don't say we are violating the rules. No, it's accepted. So lung is called simple past, right? Lit is remote past. So when we talk about the stories, Ramayana, Mahabharata, we use lit. And we talk about the past which is not today's, lung. So what about the today's past? We can use lung or we can use lung. In practice we have lung. Clear? Yes? Now, coming to this future. Simple future is called rit lakara. Rit. Simple future. Simple past, simple future. Rit lakara. That which is not today's future. Suppose morning I am saying, tonight I am going to Chennai. Even the expression is, I am going to Chennai. Or I will go to Chennai. Let us say, I will go to Chennai. When? Today. It is today's future. Today's future only we have to use rit only. If it is tomorrow's future, we have called lut. Lut lakar. Starting from tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, after the sun rises, everything is lut. Right? And what about today's future? For that also we use rit only. Or we can use let also. For today's future, we say even in English expression, I am going to Chennai today. I am not going now. I am going. So let is used. I will go to Chennai tonight. Accepted. Right? So this is the just brief idea about the lakaras. So how many lakaras covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another, all these are moods. Lot, ling, late is ruled out, late is not there. It is only used in the Veda. Late. And rung. Rung is conditional. If this happens, that would have happened. If you had studied well, you would have passed the exam. So that is called conditional. Conditional mood, rung. Lot is either for order, request, and ling is, that is also order. Order, and linga is called ashi, benediction also, ashirvad. Shubham bhuyat. So let good things happen to you, bhuyat, ashirling. Benediction, order, invitation, all these things, ling. Lot also like that. So lot, ling and drin, these doesn't come here. So this is the general idea about lakaras. Now in the language now we have to understand, today's past we use lung also. Understand that. Today's past we use lung also. Not that only lung should be used. Lung or lung. You will see mainly usage of lung. Okay.
Sharanji,
Yes.
in the same way as we have remote past, do we have a distant future? Like for example,
No, we have only little only. We don't have.
it doesn't matter a million of years.
Only this many lakaras are there. 10 lakaras. Okay.
Ring is for order, is it?
Huh?
Ring.
Drin is not one condition is fulfilled. That's why I get the example. If you had studied well, you would have passed the exam. So studying well on condition, the result would have been accomplished. So one is a cause, other one is a result. Hetu, hetumat bhava. That will be that. We will see that then all these lakaras in detail we will see. What lakaras we know? Lat. Yeah, we know only lat. Now in the 14th lesson, we are going to see lung is going to come. So before that, let us have some knowledge about the lakaras. And since the Upanishad is all these lakaras come. So when Swami uses lit and all, you can understand what is lit now. Remote past. Right? Papracha, remote past. Prichati, present tense. Papracha, asked. Shaunaka asked long ago, so long ago, right? Okay, now lat lakara, parasmipadi pratyaya, atmanipadi pratyaya, we know. It is in the screen, right? Every time we cannot derive the dhatu. Dhatu is given. I will learn the pratyayas, apply the rules, do the angakarya. Every time we cannot do. We know the rule, but at the same time we should know the simple format. Master, like Shabda. Rama Shabda we memorize, Guru Shabda. Similarly, one Shabda you know, or one Dhatu you know. 1, 4, 6, 10 you will find the same format. 1, 4, 6, 10. First gana, fourth gana, sixth gana, 10th gana, you will find the same format. So one Dhatu in Parasmipadi, one Dhatu in Atmanipadi you know by heart. The same way you can stretch for the other Dhatus in these ganas, 1, 4, 6, 10. Right? So let us chant this also. Bhavati, I am taking Bhu Dhatu as an example. Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti.
Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti.
Bhavasi, Bhavataha, Bhavatha.
Bhavasi, Bhavataha, Bhavata.
Bhavami, Bhavavaha, Bhavamaha.
Bhavami, Bhavavaha, Bhavamaha.
The dhatus in the first gana, fourth gana, sixth gana, 10th gana, whichever gana, I'm sorry, these 4 ganas, whichever dhatu will be in the same format. Like we saw examples, Ganayami, Ganayati, Ganayataha, Ganayanti, Ganayasi, Ganayataha. Similarly, Parayami. 30% we saw. Parayati, Parayataha, Parayanti. Parayasi, Parayataha, Parayata. Parayami, na Parayami. Ganayitum na Parayami. Kati nakshatrani navasi vartate iti Ganayitum na Parayami. How many stars are in the sky? I am not able to count. Okay. Now in the same way, Atmanipadi, this Labdhatu you memorize. Right? We did actually. We did the derivation. For many dhatus in the first gana and fourth gana. Sixth gana, next week we will see. Now, Labdhatu. Lab means, what is the meaning? To gain, to attain. Labate, labhete, labante. Labase, labhethe, labadhve. Labhe, labhavahe, labhamahe. Suppose if we give you a dhatu, vrit dhatu. First gana, let us say, first gana, vrit dhatu. Vrit atmanipadi. Vartate, come on chant. Vartate, tete, vartante. Vartase, vartete, vartadve. Varte, vartavahe, vartamahe. Man dhatu, fourth gana.
Manyate,
Atmanipadi. Manyate, manyete, manyante. Manyase, manyethe, manyante. Manye, manyavahe, manyamahe. And Parasmipadi is simple. If I give any dhatu, you won't be able to do. Lit dhatu, kha dhatu, dhav dhatu, pash dhatu, pat dhatu. All these things we know. That is why only Atmanipadi is enough. Now, lam, thing, pratyaya. You can write later. First one is takara. Prathama purusha, ekavachanam is just takara. Then tam, then an. Then sakara, tam, ta. Uttama purusha, va, ma. Is it so simple just adding this? You need to add, listen, you need to add a, the vowel a before the dhatu. If it is pat dhatu is there. If it is pat dhatu. Pat dhatu, what is the lat lakara, prathama purusha ekavachanam? Patati is there. You replace patati, the e part you remove it. What do you get? Patat. Right? And you add before that. What is that? Apatat. This is what is going to be. Everywhere you will need to add a before that. A is the agama which comes and joins before the dhatu. Before the dhatu. And before the dhatu you can have upasarga also, prefix. Upasarga also possible. We will see. Right. Now, we will chant this. We cannot say takara only, you can say. Yeah? No. That is original pratyaya. From that we derive this. Yes, yes. Here also tip only. The takara is it's a sarva dhatuka pit. Pakara is common. Original pratyaya, tip, sip, nip. These are pit pratyayas. It will cause guna. We get takara, yes. Tip is there, pakara is removed. The T is there, E is also removed. So takara only is left out. Rules are there, okay. If you apply the rule and remove these letters, you get this form. That is where Pani sutras come in the picture. You will see that later. Now, let us know the pratyayas. Takara, tam, an.
Takara, tam, an.
Takara only we can say, we cannot say it, okay. Sakara, tam, ta.
Sakara, tam, takara.
Va, ma.
Va, ma.
It takes some time to memorize here. What is it? Tam, ta only. So it's a mistake. Tam, ta only. Okay. Madhyama purusha bhagavachan means ta, not takara. I will correct it. Typo. Okay. So, sakara, tam, ta, va, ma. It takes some time to memorize this. We will chant every day. Then, this is for Parasmipadi. Now, Atmanipadi. Ta, atam, anta.
Ta, atam, anta.
Thaha, atham, dvam.
Thaha, atham, dvam.
I, vahi, mahing. I, vahi, mahing. Okay. So here you see, ta, atam, ja. Whatever the original pratyas are there, the same thing have come. No significant change happened. For lat lakara, listen. For lat lakara, Parasmipadi original pratyas has come as it is. Nothing happened. For lat lakara, Atmanipadi pratyas, original Atmanipadi pratyas has come as it is. You understand? For lat lakara, Atmanipadi, the original pratyaya undergoes changes and we derive the pratyas. For lat lakara, Atmanipadi. Here, for lat lakara, Parasmipadi, the original pratyas undergoes changes and you get takara, tam, and sakara, tam, ta. Right? Okay. Now we need some example for this. Similarly, like 1, 4, 6, 10, we have the example bhavati, labhate. Similarly, this is also one example we will take. We can chant abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan.
Abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan.
What is abhavat? Happened.
Was.
Abhavat.
Was.
Yeah, happened. That's what was. Happened. Abhavaha, abhavatam, abhavata.
Abhavaha, abhavatam, abhavata.
Abhavam, Abhavam, Abhavava, Abhavama. The same way. Apatat, come on. Apatat, Apatatam, Apatan, Apataha, Apatatam, Apatata, Apatam, Apatava, Apatama. Aham Samskritam Apatam. I read Samskritam. When? In the morning, yesterday. Yaha Ratro. Aham Samskritam Apatam. I read. Bhavantah sarve Samskritam Pratakale Apatan. Na Apatan. You didn't study, okay. Na Apatan. Right? Okay. Now similarly, lung. Similarly, Atmanipati, one dhatu. For that, lab dhatu, same dhatu lab. Alabata, alabhetam, alabanta, alabathaha, alabhetham, alabadhvam, alabe, alabavahi, alabhamahi. So what you know, you can direct. Suppose if I say Vrit dhatu, vartate, avartata, avartatetam, avartanta, avartathaha, avartatetam, avartadvam, avarte, avartavahi. Very good. Now we will get into the lesson and chanting we will do at the end. Okay, 14th lesson. So now you will be able to recognize. I'll show you after this class, okay? You can try. Just introduction, okay? I'm not asking you to know everything now. Introduced lung form, which is required. You're going to study in the lesson. There you will be able to recognize, oh, this is lung. You did try the exercise of 13th lesson. If you have any doubts, you can ask me at the end. Good. Now we will do 14th lesson. Chaturdashah Pataha. Yes, starting from Cecilia, you can read. The screen, it is there. Bhradha, what is the Pradipadikam? Pradipadikam kim? Bhratru, Rikarantaha. Pitra Shabdavat. Swasa? Swastra is an exception. So we need to know Swastra Shabda. Right? You know Swastra Shabda? No. We will go to Shabda Manjari, take this Swastra Shabda. We need to know Swastra. Swastra is Strilinga. Bhradra means brother. Swastra means sister. So Bhradra is like Pitra. But Swastra is not like Matra. Exception. Not all, every padam is exception. Some. You have Matra Shabda with you. I will show Swastra Shabda in the screen. So you can see the exception where it is different. Okay. You can see the screen now, we can chant. Rikarantaha, Strilingaha, Swastra Shabdaha. Swasa, Swasaro, Swasaraha. What is the difference? Mata, Mataro only, not Mataro. Mata, Mataro, Matara. Here, Swasaro. Swasa is Swasaraha. Right? Yeah, like Karta, Kartu. Now the next one. Dvitiya Bhakti. Swasaram, Swasaro, Swasruh. Swasaram, Swasaro, Swasruh. Here also same thing. Mataram, Mataro, Matruh. That is same. Dvitiya Bhakti, Bhagavachanam is same. But Ekavachanam and Dvivachanam, Dirgha is. Okay. Then Swasa, Swasrubhyam, Swasrubhihi. Swasra. Swasra. 1 minute. Swasra. Okay. Swasra, Swasrubhyam, Swasrubhihi. Matra, Matrabhyam, Matri, same. So it means where the change happens, only in the 5 places. What are the 5 places? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. So that 5 places, 2, 2, 2, not 2, 3, 2, 2. Okay. Only in these 5 places changes happen. It means these 5 places got some significance is there. That is Sarvanamasthana. That's why it happens. We'll see what Sarvanamasthana. The name given to these places. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Mata also same. It's okay, fine. Yes.
Mata is no difference. No?
There is no difference. But Sarvanamasthana change is visible. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 and 2, 2. In other places, the format is same as Matra. Now, Chaturthi. Swastre, Swasarubhyam, Swasarubhyaha. Swasuhu, Swasarubhyam, Swasarubhyaha. Swasuhu, Swastroho, Swasrunam. What is the Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Sup Pratyaya? Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Sup Pratyaya. Am. Am is a yes, os, am. Right? And you will see one nakara coming there. Becomes nam. That nam is but then Dantya nakara only, dental nakara. But it has become murdanya. Why? Preceded by r. R is there. Therefore happens. Shatvam. Okay. Swasari, Swasroho, what is it? Natvam. What did I say? Shatvam. Oh, okay. Swasari, Swasroho, Swastrishu. Shatvam happens here. Okay. Swasri plus su. Here, what is the rule? Pratyaya sakara. Good. Preceded by in. Therefore, Shatvam happens. So Natvam happens, Shatvam happens. You know it. You can easily identify now. When does it happen? You will see. Examples will come. Now, Sambodhana. He Swasaha, He Swasaro, He Swasaraha. This is also different. This is also like the Sarvanamasthana only. Because Sambodhana Pratama, the Vibhakti, the Pratyas are same as the Pratama Vibhakti, Su Avijas. Therefore, changes will be seen. Okay. So now, Swasra we know. We know means you have to memorize it. Okay. I won't insist to memorize this. If you know it, it's good. Otherwise, Sahodari, if you want to, in Sambhashana, maybe you want to say Sahodari, you can use Anuja, you can use younger sister, Agraja, elder sister, Akaranta, Rama Shabdavat, you can use. Anuja is younger sister, Agraja is elder sister. Agre Jayate, the one who is born before. Anujayate, one born after. Anuja, Agraja. Okay.
So what is for younger brother?
Huh?
Younger brother.
Anuja, Agraja, elder brother. Jeshta, Jeshta, you can say Jeshta Brata. Now, coming back to the lesson. Yes, Cecilia ji. Parashva. Yes, to that. Now, Hyaha is yesterday. Shvaha, tomorrow. Parashvaha, Parahyaha. You can note it is not there. Parahyaha means day before yesterday. Parahyaha. Parahyaha, day before yesterday. Hyaha, yesterday. Parahyaha, day before yesterday. Shvaha, tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, Parashvaha. And what is Parahyaha? The day before last. One day before that. Day before yesterday is the one day before that. Similarly, Parashvaha.
It's like 2 days ago.
Sorry?
2 days ago or?
Yes, 2 days ago. Day before last. Day before next. In English we say it like that. Okay. Adya, today. Aduna. Aduna is also today. Idanim,
Yes.
now,
Aduna is not now.
today.
But Swamiji is the word Aduna.
Aduna is today. Aduna. Idanim, now. I think Aduna is now. Idanim, now.
I asked Swamiji, Swamiji said that
Aduna is, I have some confusion with Aduna and
and he explained Idanim is just now.
Idanim is now.
Aduna is now.
Aduna is now. Maybe it's all away, yeah? Aduna, okay. Huh? Paraghira means day before last. First one is day before yesterday. Second one,
Today's.
day before yesterday is before that. One day before yesterday. That is day before last. If you want to add one more, we can add. We can keep on adding. I have to see how it is done. Parashvara. Anyway, we'll continue. Okay. So Adhya is today. Next one. You can read Maraniji. Varta Yatarjani. Varta is news. Kim Varta? What's the news? We ask somebody. What Kim Varta? Kimapi Nasti. Tarjani is coronavirus. Okay. Corona is so if you chant Vishnu Sahasranam, it will be good for coronavirus. I'm not joking, I'm serious. Yes, Vishnu Sahasranam, they suggest chant Vishnu Sahasranam, that will keep everything away, all the things away. I suggested Swamiji also. I don't know, he said he may do something, either Vishnu Sahasranam or some Vaidyanatha Ashtakam, something, chanting every day. Huh? Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. Vaidyanatha, Vaidyaha is doctor. Lord of the doctors, doctor of doctors, Bhagavan, Vaidyanatha, Shiva. Okay, Tarjani is forefinger. We say, hey, I will see you. That's called Tarjani. We don't use even this for doing japa. That is why always we fold it. Right? Tarjani.
Sharanji, can you clarify about news? Because this is how we, like in English, it's only plural, but in Sanskrit is. So how? When we have one news, we say varta, and when we have
many news, vartaha.
Vartaha.
Yes. Varta lapaha, conversation, discussion. Varta lapaha. Now the next sentence. Sentence you can read. Maraniji you can read. Again. Read again. Atra. Yes. Yes. The meaning is start with the Kriya Padam. Kau tishtataha. Cha tishtataha. Two people are there. Right? Balakaha balika cha tishtataha. Kutra? Atra is here. Balakaha pullinga. Pratama Bhakti, Ekvacham. You please mark all the numbers in your book itself with a pencil, you can mark it. And Sankhya is, Ekaha is number 1, Pullinga. So Ekaha Balakaha, Balika is Srilinga, therefore Eka Balika. If it is Napumsakalinga, Ekam, Ekam Pustakam, Ekam Upanetram, Ekam Duravashanam Asti, right? Sanganakam, Ekam, Pustakam, Ekam, all these are Ekam. So since two things are there, balakaha, balika cha, tishtataha, therefore, dvivachanam. Pratama purusha, dvivachanam. What is dhatu? Sta dhatu. Sta becomes tisht, undergoes changes, exception. Pa becomes pib, pibati. Dish becomes pashyati. Ghra becomes jigrati, smelling. All these belongs to first kana. That the verse changes, exception dhatus. I think I would have given the example. This list of dhatus I have given. I have not done the derivation, but I have given these dhatus and the form I have given. So sta dhatu becomes tishtati, tishtataha, tishtanti, tishtasi, tishtataha, tishtata, tishtami, tishtavaha, tishtamaha. Here, Pratama Purusha, Dvivachana. And cha always come after the last one. Rama and Lakshmana we say, but in Samskrtam, Rama, Lakshmana and walking, walk, right? Okay. In Samskrtam, cha will come after, at the end. Now, next person, can read the next one. Agachatam. So, what is it? Agachatam. Past tense has come now. Lang lakara. Gat. Okay. Now, just hide a. What you did? Gachatam. Gachati. Agachati. What is agachati? Comes, returns back. Right? Agachati. That is what is here. Now, who is a karta? Tau. Kau. Tau. Balakaha. Balikaha. Balakaha. Balikacha. Agachatam. Now, agachati is the kriya padam. Latlakara. Right? You remove ti. Place in the place of ti, have takara. Or remove e. You get agachat. Now you can decline. You can see this. Agachat. You can repeat after me. Agachat. Agachatam. Agachan. Agachaha. Agachatam. Agachata. Agacham. Agachava. Agachama. Vayam sarve samye agachama. We all return back on time. Right? Now same gachat we can do. Agachat, agachatam, agachan, going. Agachaha, agachatam, agachata. Agacham, agachava, agachama. Agam agacham means what? I went. Agam vayam agachama, we went. Now, yeah. This one. Short only. Here, long it's returning. Gachati going, agachati returning. So now you see. I think you are confusing with that a with this gachati is what? Goes. Agachati returns, right? So gachati is similarly past tense. Gachat, agachat, right? So similarly here, agachat, right? Gachati becomes agachat, and here the prefix is upasarga. You add a plus a becomes a. Therefore, you get agachat. Clear? Right? Agachat, agachatam, dvivachana. If it is only going, agachata must be there. Agachatam is there, therefore returning. Upasarga, a is added. That gives a sense of returning back, right? Coming back, returns. So, kau agachatam. Tau agachatam. Kutaha agachatam tau. Kutaha agachatam. Kutaha from where? Aveya. Kutaha from where? Aveya. Pathalayat. Mandirat. Devatayat. Prakostat. Grhat. Gurukulat. Right? Panchami. So apadana. Pratipadikam is Patalaya. Apadane Panchami. Clear? The sentences you can write agachatam. You have to write लं small लं लकार प्रथमपुरुषा द्विवचनं तौ प्रथमा विभक्ति द्विवचनं पातालयात् पंचमी विभक्ति एकवचनं. If you are space you can write प्रातिपदिकम also you can write. तौ is तद्. पातालयात् पातालय. आगच्छतां write the dhatu. What is a dhatu? Gam dhatu. Gam with the upasarga a. You can write like this. A plus gam. Gam dhatu. And it is pratama purushaha dvivachanam. You can write this also. A plus gam. This stands for root. Okay. In mathematics we have the root, square root symbol. That's called root. Verbal root. We use that symbol. Square root. 1 minute. If it is not clear, write again. This is the square root. Okay. Yes. Yes. Kutaha is away. From where? Kutaha. When you ask Kutaha, the answer will be in Panchami. Apadana. Yes. Agachat is? Yes. Agachat going, agachat coming.
Here is the meaning of coming.
Yes, coming. Suppose if it is the meaning of going, what would have been there? Agachatam. Yes, agachatam, right? Now the next person. Balakasya. कुत्र अस्ति क्रियापदम् अस्ति वा अत्र अस्ति कुत्र क्रियापदम् अस्ति वा नास्ति सो अध्याहर्तव्यः you have to supply अस्ति अस्ति you have to supply now का अस्ति बालिका अस्ति girl is and it has the adjectival pronoun sa balika so asti is prathama purusha ekavachanam ka asti balika asti that is qualified by a adjectival pronoun sa is that is also prathama vibhakti ekavachanam sa balika asti sa balika swasa asti that girl is the sister subject and the predicate swasa is what vibhakti स्वसा स्वसारो स्वसारः प्रथमा विभक्तिः एकवचनं सो सा बालिका स्वसा अस्ति नौ बालकस्य स्वसा बालकस्य कस्य स्वसा बालकस्य संबंध between the boy and the girl sister बालकस्य स्वसा and that also has got adjective pronoun what is tasya षष्ठी विभक्ति can we write this like this तस्य सा बालिका तस्य सा बालकस्य बालिका स्वसा something like that can you change the place of shashti vibhakti anywhere you like in the sentence cannot do balaka and swasa sambandha is there when sambandha is there you have to place the shashti vibhakti closer to what it's connected with you cannot place anywhere otherwise meaning will change if you say if you put this here it is only two people other no problem otherwise the meaning will change Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha Sitaya saha vanam gacchati is there Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha Sitaya saha along with Sita vanam gacchati now Dasharathasya you take it and put before Sita putraha Ramaha Dasharathasya Sita That Sita belongs to Dasharatha. The meaning will change. No. So Shashti Vibhakti, since it is Sambandha, should be placed closer next before what it is connected with, related to. Right? So this is a simple sentence. Sa balika tasya balakasya swasa. Sa balaha mama chatraha. You can say like that, right? Okay. Now the next person. Mariana ji. Sallapataha. Yes. Don't worry about it. Sallapataha. You can say sallapataha also. Sallapataha. Now, tau kim kurtaha? What is kurtaha? What lakara is that? Lat lakara. Important dhatu. You know this dhatu? Karoti. Kurtaha. Kurvanti. Then? You know this? All of you? No. Important dhatu. Please note this. I'm writing here. Karoti. Kurtaha kurvanti. Karoshi. Here what happens here? Si taha anti. Si. Dantya sakara becomes Murdani shakara. Why? Because Shatvam absence, right? So preceded by O is the Karo. Karoshi. Karoshi. Kurutha. Kurutha. Karomi. Kurvaha. Kurvaha. Right? What dhatu is this? Dukrang dhatu. Okay, the original dhatu is Dukrang Karane. Yeah. Dukrang Karane. The meaning of the dhatu is Karane. In the sense of doing. These both are interletter. Do and Nekara. So, Swamiji is doing Bhajago in them? Oh, very good. You know it. Nagi Nagi Rakshati, Dukrang Karane. So, no use of studying grammar. No, that's not the meaning. Kru Karane. Right? Kru Karane. So, it's a Ubepadi. It is a Ubepadi. Ubepadi means what? I have written only Parasmepadi. What about the Atmepadi? What is the Atmepadi form? Okay, that was I will write. Kurute. No. Yes. Yes. Kurute. Kurvate. Kurvate. The form is different. Kurushe. This is important, you can know this. Both Kurushe, Kuruvate, Kurushe, Kuruvate, Kurudve. Then Kurute, Kuruvate, Kuruvate, Kurushe, Kuruvate, Kurudve. Kurute, Kuruvate, Kuruvate, Kurushe, Kuruvate, Kurudve. Kurve, aham kurve. Kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe. Kurvahe, kurmahe. This is Atmanipadi, Rasmipadi. You can. So similarly for Latlakar also we will have Akarot, Akurutam, Akuruvan. You will see that. It will come, I think, in the lesson itself later. Shall we chant? It is Kurve, okay. Repa is at the top. Kurve, Kurvahe, Kurmahe. Kurve, Kurvahe, Kurmahe. Yes, doing, yeah. doing. If you know the rules, if you don't remember the form, you can write. I know it is Uttama Purusha, Bhagavachana is Ye, Vahe, Mahe, we chanted, Latlakara. I know Dhatu is Kuru. Kuru plus Ye, U plus Ye. U is N. So it will become Vakara. Kurve. Form is getting. Simple. Kuru plus A becomes Kurve. I have to think what is the pratyaya for the Pratama, that is Uttama Purusha pratyaya, Latlakara, Ye, Vahe, Mahe. We chanted, right? Te, Ite, Ante, Se, Ite, Dve, Ye, Vahe, Mahe. Ye is Kuru plus A, Kurve. Okay, it takes time to go there, don't worry. Now let us chant this. Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti.
Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti.
Karoshi, Kurutaha, Kurutha.
Karoshi, Kurutaha, Kurutha.
Karomi, Kurvaha, Kurmaha.
Karomi, Kurvaha, Kurmaha.
In Atmanepadi, let remember always that A will be there. A will be in Kurvahe, Kurmahe, all will be, A will be there. So, Kurute, Kurvate, Kurvate.
Kurute, Kurvate, Kurvate.
Kurushe, Kurvate, Kurudve.
Kurushe, Kurvate, Kurudve.
Everywhere, way is there, right? Kurve, Kurvahe, Kurmahe.
Kurve, Kurvahe, Kurmahe.
Simple. Done? Now, how? Kim Kurutaha? Marianaji, Kutra asti Kurutaha? Is it Atmanepadi or Parasmanepadi form now? Parasmanepadi. What Purusha? What Purusha? Pratama Purusha. Dvivachanam. So two people are there. Saha Karoti, Tau Kurutaha. Tau Kim Kurutaha? What is the meaning? What are they doing? Present tense. Tau Sanlapataha. They are conversion. This is also Lapati, Lapataha, Lapanti with Upasarga. Some Upasarga is there. That becomes Sanlapataha. Don't worry about that. Rules will be there. Because of that, Chandra Bindu is there. Sanlapataha. Sanlapataha. Sallapati. Sallapataha. Sallapati. Lapati Dhatu. Lapati, Lapataha, Lapanti. Upasarga. Some is there. Conversing. Sallapataha. Nasal. Sallapataha. Okay.
This first gana, first gana.
Must be first gana. Lapati, yeah. So they are conversing. Next person now. Huh? Talking.
Sabalakaha,
Yeah.
Yaha, Bhatam, Na, Apatat.
Now, Sa Balaka, but the printing mistake is there.
No.
Ah.
Sa and Esha, this row applies here.
What root?
The Visarga drops.
Okay.
Followed by everything apart from
Good. You remember that. Now, what is the Kriya Padam?
So the Kriya Padam is Apatat.
What Lakara is that?
Lan
I will ask you a
Lakara.
question, you can answer. Okay.
Lan Lakara, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachana.
Very good. Kaha Apatat?
Yeah, this is Balakaha.
Balakaha. Which has got a?
Ekavachana.
Very good.
Saha is
Kim Balaka Apatat?
Kim Balaka.
I'm asking you answer. Kim Balakaha Apatat?
What he didn't read.
No. Kim Balakaha Apatat? Is a boy reading?
No.
Na Apatat.
Na.
You have to join the Na with Kriya Padam immediately.
Na Apatat.
Kim Na Apatat?
Patam.
Patam is what?
Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana.
What is that? Pata is?
Lesson.
Not the meaning. Meaning we don't bother. Meaning we can see the vocabulary.
Karma.
And we know Pata is. Karma. Therefore what Vibhakti?
Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana.
2-1. Karma. Karma Padam Pata. Pata is Karma Padam, right? Pata is Karma here. Who is the reader? Who is reading? Balaka. What does he read? Listen, Pata is a Karma. Therefore, Dvitiya Bhakti Ekavachana. Balakaha Patam Na apatat. Na apatat. Kada.
Kada hyaha.
What does it mean?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. So,
Anvaya.
yes, that's very good. So, saha is 1-1, balakaha is 1-1, yaha is avyaya, padam is karma 2-1, na is avyaya, apatat is prathama purusha equal. Now, Emilaji,
Yeah.
convert this into a bahuvachana sentence.
Okay. So te balakaha
Very good.
hya
Yaha,
patani should say or patam is okay. This also bahuvachana?
yeah, which one? It's okay. Patam you can say, patam.
Na apa. What was apata?
Atra asti.
Yeah. Apadan.
Not apatan.
Apatavan.
Apatan.
Apatan. Yes, apatan. Yes.
Apatan, right? Now, Bernaji, make it into dvivachana. Tau, balakau, kau, yaha, yaha, yeah, patam, not patam, 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 you can see the screen now. Apatata, right? Okay, you have to practice. You can use different vachanam. You cannot do everything in the class. You can practice different vachanam. Now next person.
Upadhyayaha tam atadayat.
This is what I gave in the sentence, splitting. Remember Sandhi Vicheda? Upadhyayas tamadayat, tamatadayat. I gave.
Yes.
Sandhi Vicheda, I remember, come on.
Yes.
Sandhi splitting we did?
Second example.
Long, yes. The same thing here. Maybe I took it from here only. Yes, I don't remember. Yes. What is atadayat?
Kim atadayat.
What is a dhatu? Tad dhatu.
Tad.
10th gana. Okay. One small information. Beating. Tadayati is beating. Beating. Our famous dhatu. And the one I used many times is. Edgarji was asking. We are so Tadayati. Okay. See, one small clue. 10th gana dhatu you can identify. Some 10th gana dhatus we have seen in the previous lesson also. Ganayati, Parayati, right? Some dhatu, dhatus you will see, ya will be there. Gatayati, Katayati, Ganayati. And the first letter, you can see sometimes it will be dirgha. Parayati, Atadayati, Tadayati now, Ta. I am talking about only dhatu, Tadayati. So, all these are some clues. One is ya will be there. If ya is there, it can be fourth gana also. Right? It can be fourth gana also. So, you see the first letter, dirgha is there. Possible. Okay. Now, only clue. Need not be confirmed with this. You can guess to some extent. So, Tadayati. Tad is a dhatu. Tadayati. Okay. Now, the dhatu. Is it a Parasmipadi or Apnipadi?
Parasmipadi.
How do you know Parasmipadi?
Ubhayapadis.
No, I'm asking. Here it is, here only. How do you know it's a Parasmipadi or Apnipadi? Seeing the form. Ending with Takara. If it is Atmanipadi, Atharayata, Alabhata. Anyway, you have to get used to that. You will practice, you will get it. Yes. 12:30 exactly. Yeah. Now, Tada. Tada is a dhatu. Huh? No. Dhatu is tad, sorry. Dhatu is tad dhatu. Tad becomes Tadaya. You have to add one pratyaya, tad becomes Tada. Dhatu kosha asti va? Okay, I also have dhatu kosha here, but I have got a different one. You can check. I will show it here itself. You don't have to, don't worry. Dhatu kosha. You should have all the tools with you. My teacher also, when he comes with a huge bag, I also started coming with my big bag. Ramakrishna Paramahansa used to say, to kill oneself, a small needle is enough. But to kill others, we need a sword. Similarly, to teach, to know oneself, to know for knowledge for ourselves, we don't need much. But to teach others, you need all the gadgets, books, a whole bunch of things you need. All weapons, yeah. So third is huh? Where is it third? I don't see it here in this list. Third dot. Yeah, here it is. Third. Third. Aghate. Right? To beat. Ma tadayatu, you can say. Ma tadayatu. Don't beat me. Mom is agamavamaya mom, me. Okay, you can say vayam. I don't know what vayam. Mom is myself, right? Asman, ma tadayatu. Na tadayatu. Ma tadayatu. Ma means don't. Yeah. Sorry? Maybe in different gana. Oh, okay, same gana. Bhashartha. Dhatu nam anekartha. Remember that always. Dhatu as a dhatu can have more meanings. Now, let us do this. Coming to you now. Now, tadaya. Atadayatu, you know, from this ending, you know, it's a parasubari dhatu. Now, kaha atadayatu?
Padeha atadayatu.
Kaha? Kaha? Upadhyaya.
Sorry, Upadhyaya.
Upadhyaya, teacher. A teacher can afford to do it. That's why it's given up. Upadhyaya. Okay. What is the object here?
Kim atadayat, tam atadayat.
Tam atadayat. Tam balakam.
Tam balagam atadayat.
Kam atadayat. Kam. Kam.
Yeah.
Balakam. Balakam atadayat. Okay. So we'll stop here. You want to copy this? Yes. Yeah, that's what I'll show you. Which one? Tadaya. Yes, Udayapati. Tadayati, Tadayata, Tadayati, Tadayate also is there. Tadayate, Tadayate, Tadayate. See, in Sambhashanam, a small clue, please listen. If you don't know the Lang Lakara, you can just add in Sambhashanam and saying, just add Sma. Saha Agachat, he went. Saha Gachati Sma. You can use Lat Lakara and add Sma. Another simple one is Kritanta. We are going to see that. That is what you will see Bhashyakara will be using. Wherever in the Shastram, Lang, Lakaras are there, you will give an equivalent Kritanta form. Right? Please copy this. And this you copied.
Va ma.
Va ma. Where? Shabda Manjari. Page number, tell me. Yes. 113. Oh no, it's a mistake. Abhavatam, right? Ah, Abhavatam only. Abhavata, Abhavatam, Abhavan, Abhavaha, Abhavatam. Yes. Kakara is not there. Kutra asti? Show me. Maybe a printing mistake only. I don't see. No, it is Va only. It is Vakara only. Abhavatam. Not Ka.
Sharanji, when we were saying...
Shabda Manjari, the printing is not good. You can, sometimes Vakara looks like Akara. Abhavatam. Dhatu Manjari is there? Clear? Yes. Yeah.
that it's A, it's not E, because
Yes,
in
yes,
all
right.
the books. So now, when we study this Lam Lakara, in Atmanepadi is E. So here it's...
Listen, original pratyaya is E, Vahi, Mahi. Lat Lakara, Ye, Vahe, Mahe. Everything becomes Ye. Therefore, Ye, Vahe, Mahe, I ask you to correct.
Correct, yeah.
Not in the original pratyaya. Original pratyaya is E, Vahi, Mahi. And that is what is here also, E, Vahi, Mahi. Because in Lang Lakara, I told, Lang Lakara, Atmanipadi, original pratyayas taken as it is. Only Parasmipadi pratyayas of the original pratyaya undergoes changes. Takara, tam, an, sakara, tam, ta, vama. You understand what is I am saying? For Lat Lakara, Parasmipadi, copy the original pratyayas as it is. Atmanipadi undergoes changes. There only Ye, Vahe, Mahe, I ask you to correct. For Lam Lakara, for Parasmipadi, you copy the original pratyayas as it is. Undergoes no changes. Whereas Parasmipadi undergoes changes. This is what I said in the beginning also. Clear? Now, you want a dhatu?
Yes.
Huh?
Write the example.
Yes, you can write. You can remember one example. Bu dhatu for Lat Lakara as well as Lang Lakara, Parasmipadi, and Lab dhatu for Lang as well as Lat. If you are serving anybody here? No serving. So we can conclude and then you can copy. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. And I given you the list of dhatus. First gana, fourth gana, many dhatus I given. In your leisure, you please practice.